Hello, year ones. I hope you are having a good time at home and also being able to go to the beach and enjoy the company of your family, of your friends and cousins. And soon we will be able to be at school as well. It's just going to be very nice, and we are preparing everything. You are going to see different things in the school. There has been so much constructions around, and you are going to see them when you come back to school. It's going to be very fun. Well, about 2 weeks ago, in our lesson, we talked about technology everywhere, the technology around us in our homes. Remember this word, technology. And then we said we went around, you also went around in your house, and some of you took nice pictures, and some of you drew nice pictures of piece of technology in your house, and you put technology in the telephone and the refrigerator, some of you, the printer, and of course the computer, the iPad, lots of things like that. But Miss Ada forgot to tell you something about the word technology. So today we are going to talk about technology because there is a difference between technology and information technology, which we do here in the computer lab with the computers. And I forgot to mention this difference. So today, Miss Ada is going to show you the difference, okay? So let's go to our presentation. And here it is. What does the word technology means? What does it mean? We talked about it, that technology is in the computer, but there is more to it. I'm not going to the next one. Technology means inventions, things that man created to make our lives easier. Anything doesn't need to be a computer, doesn't need to be a mobile phone. It can be anything. If you think of a pair of glasses that help us read, if it's helping us doing something, it's helping Miss Ada read, then this is a technology because it was invented by man to help us. And if you think of a paperclip, it's also technology because it was invented by man to help us. It is a little bit different of like a headphone. It is technology, but it is also information technology because it works with a computer. So this is the difference that I didn't tell you before. So today we're just going to think about what technology is, only technology, things that are inventions of man to help us in our daily lives. Can be anything that is not done by Allah, not done by God, but things that are made by man. For example, my hand is made by God. So my hand is not technology. My hand is something that only God could create. It's very special. Yes? So let's go back to the slides. And you are going to tell me, here are some examples of technology. Yeah? So I have the laptop, but the pencil sharpener is technology. Scissors, a pencil, a computer, of course, An smartphone. Yes. Now, what could you use these things for? What do you use a laptop for? Can you think? Who can tell me? What do we use the pencil sharpener for? Who knows? Any guess? What about scissors? What do we use scissors for? And a pencil. And a computer. Why do you use it? And a smartphone. So, the technology means anything made by man to help us. Anything that is used to help us is technology. And it needs to have a purpose. For example, a rubber. We can say, oh, it's technology. Why? Because it helps us erase things. Yeah? And would you say a tree is technology? It helps us for a lot of things, but it's not technology because only Allah can create a tree. Okay? And the laptop's technology. Yes. It's technology done by man. Of course, God gave us man intelligence. Allah make man intelligent to create the laptop, of course. But it was made by men, yeah? And people, children. What do you think? 1, 2, 3. Yes, not technology. Well done. And a dog. Is it technology? Think. Tell me, Zada. 1, 2, 3. Not technology. Well done. And a desktop. Is it technology? 1, 2, 3. Yes, it's technology. Good job. And the sun and the clouds. Is it technology? 1, 2, 3. Huh? Not technology. Only Allah can create the sun. Yes? And even a glue stick. Is this technology? Yes. Oops, I forgot 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Is this technology? Yes, it's technology. It helps us glue stuff. And it was made by man. Good job. And is this technology? A flower? 1, 2, 3. No, a flower is not technology. Aha. So we have the examples of technology, and what is in common? What is in common about them? What they are all similar? They all are done by someone. So what are they similar? They are created by man. And another thing is that they can help us. Very good. Another thing that's common about them, they all have a purpose. They all have a meaning. What are they done for? So the pencil sharpener is to sharpen the pencil. They all have something in common. Well done. Very good. So, this is what Miss Ada wants you to do. Your lesson, you don't need to send me anything. You don't even need to take a picture or draw anything. But I want you to explain to your mama and baba what technology is. Okay? And if you can do it, if they want to send me a message and say, yes, my son knows what technology is, my daughter knows what technology is, okay. If not, it's okay too. All right? I just want you to know what technology is. Have a nice week, everyone, and see you next week. Masalama.